What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the Brown Jet. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough on how to use the Goal3 application, which is one of the many decentralized applications that will potentially qualify you for the upcoming ZkSync Airdrop. So without ado, let's get into it. But before we do, just remember, nothing here is financial advice. You got to do your own research. Don't just take what I say in this video as gospel. So Goal3 is the ultimate on-chain gaming ecosystem. They have an incredible runway. In fact, I remember just this summer, I was on their testnet playing around. Right now, they have their decentralized sportsbook, but they have so much more planned. They have crypto futures, which is in a demo right now. They have the lottery system coming very, very soon. We know about their tokenomics, or you can read about them on this page, which I will link in the description below. Their partners, people you already know and trust, ZK Era. So, this is sort of ZkSync, the Orbiter Bridge, SyncSwap, which is one of my favorite dexes on the ZkSync platform. We got Socket, which I'm not as familiar with, Layer 0, which we use in Sushi Swap, and Azumi Finance. So here's their technical roadmap. We don't really need to go into what they've done already, but just take a look at so much coming on board, right? So I'm looking forward to the Goal3 Casino launch coming live, and there's so much more. Now, with that all being said, you're here to see Goal3. If you want to go in, what you'll have to do is go to the sportsbook, click play now. You'll have to register an account. Part of the registration process requires you to have an invite code. Now, you can find the invite code by going into their official Discord, clicking that Discord button on the bottom right. What I've done for you is I've screenshotted some of the Discord invite codes. So you can use Jackpot all lowercase, or you can use Goal123 all caps lock, or Joker all caps lock. There are tons of these codes out there. These are somebody's personal code. I'm not giving you mine because I can't remember what mine is, but all you got to do is just put this in and both of you will get a benefit upon signing up or using the platform. This platform right now is actually what Goal3 looks like. So it's like a dedicated sportsbook right now, lottery coming soon, X1000, which is the demo. So this is like their futures trading. We're not going to get into that in this video because it's not really relevant. All those transactions are demo. Sorry, let me just go back here. The lottery, sorry, I'm just going to have it go here. You see here, it's sort of new. It's kind of small. They're doing something, but once again, you can do lottery 9 numbers, 12 or 15. What we're going to focus on today, and probably the easiest thing, is to actually focus on their sportsbook. So what we do here is, in order to participate in anything that is involving the Goal3 platform, you need to have the token ZKUSD. I currently don't have it on my account because I've cashed it out. What you'll have to do is go to SyncSwap, which I will link in the description below, and you can exchange your ETH or your whatever to ZKUSD. Make sure you're on the ZkSync platform. What I'm going to do now is I'll hit swap. The gas fees are so cheap. This is costing me 27 cents. And because it's ZkSync, sometimes some of that gas gets refunded to you as well. But they keep the gas fees very low, which is a nice change. Yeah, so gas refund 6.25%. So much better than what we're so used to doing with traditional Ethereum. Now that I have the ZKUSD, I go back to Goal3. It is now reflected at the top, 2374, and I can make bets. So you can bet on sporting events. Now, I'm not the person you should go to for sports betting. I'm not as familiar with the teams. If I have to do the bet and if I have to use the protocol, what I've done in the past is I have made bets just on what's favorable. So Luton versus Chelsea. Chelsea was super favored to win. So I bet on Chelsea. I got 1.48 to 1, and I made $4.78 profit. Same thing happened here with Aston Villa versus Burnley, 1.35 to 1. So I made $3.50 profit. Now, one of the things I will tell you is when you make these bets, and I'm going to make a bet right now. Let's go to sports and see what's coming up. So we got West Ham versus Brighton. This is way too close, 2.27 or 2.69. And in soccer, you can get a ton of draws. So I'm not about to do that. Let me look for something that's very skewed. So Real Madrid versus Mallorca. So let's do Real Madrid over here. And I'm going to bet, let's see, how much do I have in here? You know what? Let's put 23.74 in here. My potential win is 42.43. How do I do this? Oh, sorry, single. There we go. And I can remove that. So you want to make sure your order slip only has the things you want to gamble on. Otherwise, it almost looks like a parlay system for you. So you can see here when I zoom in, Real Madrid 1.21 to 1. I'm betting 23.74. My potential win is 28.69. You know, not that great, but if you have to get a transaction here, not bad. One of the things I will tell you as well is if you are using this platform and you win money, you need to have a minimum of $20 to claim. Otherwise, you're unable to claim your winnings. So if you're here to bet $1 or $2, you've got to bank it all the way up to $20 in winnings to withdraw it, $20 or more. So I'm going to hit order now, and we'll put this in there. Now, I know Real Madrid, Mallorca is terrible. And honestly, I have some friends who, if Real Madrid ends up losing, I will gladly pay $25 to make fun of them for that. And you can tell that from the odds. Mallorca to win is 11.63 to 1, and a draw is 6.3 to 1. So it would be a shocker, let me tell you that. Now, once I'm done that, you go to my bets here. You can see here, I got Real Madrid versus Mallorca. It's not updated yet here, but my account balance has changed. So I will come back and check when this game has completed, which takes place on Wednesday, January the 3rd. So once all that is done, you know, one day in 10 hours from now, I will get to claim the money once the thing is over, if I've won or not. And then all I have to do is go to my bets and claimable win, right? So you see here, minimum claim is 20 ZKUSD. And finally, all I have to do once I'm done, let's say I want to take the money off, is go back to SyncSwap and convert ZKUSD, whatever I have, into whatever other token I want to put. So probably just back to Ethereum. Anyways, I hope this was a sort of easy walkthrough. If you are doing the steps for the ZkSync Airdrop, I think this is a really good platform to use. They're potentially going to have an airdrop in the future. And also, you may just be a degenerate and want to gamble on sports. Maybe you want to gamble on the lottery. If they ever get poker up in here, you better believe I will be using this platform. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button, share the video with someone you know, and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next